What's up, guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Here at Rap Sesh. Don't touch my hair.
You touch.
So this week we are actually showcasing a newer film that we are carrying, which is Luxe Auto Concepts Tint. It is a taillight or headlight tint film.
Really cool stuff.
Really, really cool stuff. Fun stuff.
Fun stuff.
Cool stuff.
Yeah.
Very cool. We've been working with it quite a bit over the past like 6 months. We've been trying it out a lot with different installs, and we really, really like this film. We've tried a couple other films before, and I think
Didn't like how they installed.
yeah, I think with this film, it's like the most like a car wrap film.
Yeah, this is the closest to like a vinyl wrap. It's very easy to use.
It is. It's definitely user friendly.
Yeah.
And it's super affordable too. Like you can do taillight tint kits for like $150 to $200 for a set, and it's like an easy like 30-minute turnaround. You know what I mean? The coolest thing is that they have tons of options. Lots of options.
Lots of options.
Because we need options.
Yes.
So let's run through like the different products they have.
So, starting
have
with
most
the
of it
normal
here.
stuff, we have, you know, lights, mids, darks, and then we also have satin and gloss.
Or a matte.
Is it matte?
Technically it's matte, stealth.
It has a really nice satin finish to it, but I think they call it matte. So but it has a really nice finish. Yeah, it's really good stuff, really conformable, like we said, and
Here's like a gloss, so you can
Yeah.
see the difference between a stealth and a gloss.
And this one's a mid, actually, not a dark. So this is a dark. It's kind of hard to see between.
Yeah. So total for their basics, you have 6 options: the light, mid, dark, and you have it in a stealth or a gloss.
Yep.
But they're really cool stuff that I really like. We've got some of it over here. They have a gloss star power, which is like a black with a rainbow sparkle.
Which matches this.
Which matches that almost perfectly.
Exactly.
Trip, right? Totally different brands. That's car wrap. This is tint.
And this is Morpheus.
And then they also have a textured
Rainbow
carbon
starlight.
fiber. Grab me the carbon fiber.
Grab me the carbon.
The carbon fiber, I swear, it's like exactly the same. This looks just like vinyl. So they have a textured carbon fiber as well. Yeah. Like literally the same.
Yep. And brushed steel.
They have a brush metal.
They're like exactly. So you
This
can,
one we installed. This looked really cool.
It does look cool.
This was on the Naughty Neo.
But like if you did, you could do like a full brush steel vehicle, all
Brush lights,
everything.
brush everything.
Everything.
And then this one's a really cool one for like Mopar people. Honeycomb.
Yeah,
Gloss printed honeycomb.
The honeycomb goes really well with like any kind of Mopar, obviously.
Dodge, yeah.
Dodge. But you can obviously use it on anything. But it's a really cool film. When it's really hard to see it when it's off, but once your lights turn on, you just see red and honeycomb, and it's really cool.
And it's going to be the same concept with the special effects film. Is there's a light, a mid, and a gloss, or light, mid, and dark.
Light, mid, dark.
As well for all of these. So that's another 12 options. 12 and 6. That's
Lots of
18 different tint
options.
films. And then not only that, but you can also print on these films. They've sent me a lot of cool photos of like American flag prints and stuff that you could put this like even on a sunroof or something.
Yeah, we've seen some really cool stuff.
Yeah.
Definitely visit their website.
A lot of really cool custom
Yeah.
stuff. If you guys aren't customizing taillights, you're kind of missing out.
Yeah.
One thing you do want to take note to is your state laws.
Of course.
In Arizona, I don't know the exact wording for the law, but I think it's something along the lines of you have to be able to see the taillights emitting red from like 500 feet away or something. And we have even installed some of the darkest ones, and nobody's had issues yet.
Not around here, but definitely check your area.
Just check your state, because some places you can't even have any kind of covering over your lights at all. So
sure.
definitely check your local laws. But I would probably, just a little side shop note, I would probably have your customer sign a waiver that says, hey, you know, if you get pulled over and you get ticketed for this or something, like, we're not liable, you're choosing to pay us to do this. But that's if you just want to cover your butt. But yeah, really, really cool film. We're going to show you guys a couple different cars that we've done using it, some time lapses and everything. And yeah, another thing I want to point out, when they ship this all to you, they send you a little squeegee.
Squeege.
Squeegee. They normally send you like an install kit, so it comes with like a little microfiber rag, these little squeegees, which are really
spray.
flexible. I like these, but I haven't used them for that.
They're actually really cool.
Yeah, they're kind of nice. And then this is their prep spray, which is essentially it's 50-50
Alcohol,
isopropyl
water.
and water. Yeah, just like what we use to prep the cars anyway. So you don't have to use this, but you can. Yeah, if you guys are interested in trying out the Luxe Auto Concepts Tint, we'll post their information below. I believe their website is www.luxeautoconcepts.com. You can check them out on Instagram too. And they are also available at Fellers now. All the standard colors are available through Fellers now, which is really great because I don't think they were really offering
And I think it's only the standard colors.
Yeah, only the standard. If you want the fancy stuff, I think you have to go directly to the Luxe website.
Yep. Or come to us.
Or come to me if you're in Arizona. I'll put it on for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this week at Rap Sesh. If you want to keep up with the Shark Mouth Squad on our daily fun, make sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram. That is Rap Sesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Raps. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. It's okay, it's medical grade alcohol. You're fine. See you guys next week.